Hello guys, what's up? So back again with this. This is a Nevada strat copy, and then I changed the neck to this Encore. I think I've shown you a video about this already, my ordeal about this guitar, and it's non-stop, right? Let's recap. So when I bought this, these are the stock pickup, but the tone knobs, volume knob, and the 5-way selector is very noisy, it's crackly. So I resorted in buying this one online from eBay, and it's a push-pull humbucker, single coil. It's nice, preloaded pick guard, but then lately when I use this with a single stomp box, this one is squeaking, so it's microphonic. So what I did was I changed this one from my Lion by Washburn pickup, the humbucker bridge, and then I swapped it, and then that's where the problem was. It's like, I think when I did the soldering or the color coding of the wires, I think I followed, because they got the same sort of colors, which is yellow, white, red, black, the same color coding, but it's the same, it's not the same polarity. So it's like the active would have been red and on the other one is yellow, something like that. So I had problems with it, and I decided to buy a pre-wired harness. Now this is again another issue. So the knobs here, these black ones, are from here, and then this is the stock pickup. All I ordered was the harness, so all I needed to solder are the pickups, and if I show you, it's correct. So neck, and it's the neck pickup. I'll find something to tap it. Alright guys, just to show it to you that the wirings that I solder, or the pickups that I solder, are correct. So this is on the neck, look, neck pickup, then neck and middle, then middle pickup, look, it's not, and then middle pickup, bridge pickup, and last is the bridge pickup. So it's correct. Now the problem was, let's tune it first. Right, so normally with the bridge pickup, or like the 5-way selector, the number one here is bridge, and the tone knobs doesn't work, isn't it? But with this pre-wired harness, look, the bridge has got this middle tone, or the number 2 tone. I don't complain about it actually, because I like it, so I can adjust the tone of my bridge pickup, because sometimes it's too trebly. So my bridge pickup, let's show it to you. Bridge pickup, there, I can adjust the tone, bright and then dull. So middle pickup is here, and it's working as it should. Now the trouble is the neck pickup. I don't know where to turn it now. it's wrong way around. It should have been this way, should be the bridge that doesn't have tone, and then the neck should have this one. So this went to the bridge and the neck doesn't have tone. And I don't know if it's my fault. I don't know if I did this wrong way around or they did it the wrong way around. But anyway, I'm quite happy with this. That's the neck and the bridge. I got the option to brighten it or mix it. So that's it for today, guys. I'm keeping it like this. It's a new set of strings, so probably that's why it's adjusting. Want a bit of distortion. Here we go. That's neck, bridge. Yeah, I love it. So I thought this guitar now is a scrap guitar, but I think I can still make use of it. So see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. And if someone knew something that I did wrong with that selector, all I did, to be honest, is just solder the pickups, but I don't know why it's like that. It's got to do with just the tone. The tone went to the bridge instead of the neck. This one. So this is correct. Volume knob is correct. Just the middle one, and it's fine. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. So see you later. Bye.